Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, I'm happy to have you. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back and sticking with me. In today's simple eyeshadow look, I am going to use a dual chrome eyeshadow from the company name is Clionadh and they're located in Canada. I love how they package these things so nice. This is the back of the packaging. And this is the front of the packaging. It tells you the colors, which color is what. And now I'll take it out from the packaging so you can see. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging. This one is called Medieval. I'll swatch it for you. So it has a shift. It's pretty in person. I promise you. Now I'm gonna give you a swatch. Is it this hand I should use? I think, yeah, because I always use the wrong hand. This is Medieval. I don't know if you can see this shift, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This is it right here. It has purple, it looks burgundy. It's pretty. So that's number one. Now number two is called Majesty. This is Majesty out of the packaging. And I will swatch for you also. This is Majesty. This is cute. You can see this. This is pretty. I went dentist this morning, so I'm actually wearing not a t-shirt, I'm wearing a shirt. Usually I'm always in a t-shirt. I actually had real clothes, real shoes to go to the dentist. I had to get my pearly whites clean. Okay, now we're gonna start simple eyeshadow look. Let us do this right now. Majesty is the yellow one, so I'm using that today. I have a yellow shirt, so might as well just make the whole thing work. I want to do one with eyeliner and one without eyeliner so you can see the difference. Maybe you might want to use eyeshadow with liner and eyeshadow without liner. So that's what I'm doing. So we're gonna do that. Right now we're gonna use the yellow one, which is called Majesty, and I'm going to use my finger. Wow. This is gorgeous. OMG. OMG, do I need to use my finger? I don't know. This color is just so pretty. Oh my god. This is cute. Yeah, I should wet the brush. It goes on fine without me wetting the brush. This is just oh so beautiful. This is gorgeous. Can you see? Am I not in view? I hope I am in view. Okay, the next eye. Remember, one eye is with eyeliner, the other one is without eyeliner. You can use your fingers. I think my fingers are like keeping this thing alive. And then I use the brush to fix it. Oh, this is so nice. I see green. Shift, I see yellow. I think there's a gold. This is, excuse me, I hope you can. This is just beautiful. OMG. This Clionadh Press Multichrome eyeshadow is good. I had Pat McGrath and I love it, but this one, I'm in love. This eyeshadow, you know, I have hooded eyes, so I do crease, but this is one color. I did one eye with the eyeliner so you can see what it looks like with eyeliner. I did this eye without eyeliner so you can see what it looks like without eyeliner. Right? Without eyeliner, with eyeliner. This is gorgeous. And I use Clionadh eyeshadow. This one is called Majesty. I use that all over my eyes and in the waterline. And my foundation today, I use JUVIA'S. This is today's simple everyday eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. I use one color, oh, two fingers wrong. I use one color eyeshadow. Eyeliner, no eyeliner. I have one eye with eyeliner, one eye without eyeliner. I wanted to do one of each just so you can see what it looks like, whether you should or you shouldn't. Right? When I mean eyeliner, I'm talking top eyeliner. Top eyeliner, none. Top eyeliner with. That's what I meant. I just love the color. I don't think the camera is doing anything for this color. This color is so gorgeous in person. I love it, I love it, I love it. You know I'm gonna wear this all day. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the afternoon until later tonight, and I'll take it off. It just feels gorgeous, so I will wear it for the rest of the day. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe. Always remember, self first, love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. I will see you in another video. Keep watching, keep sharing, please subscribing, please comment. And I am happy. Love you, love you. Bye, bye, bye.